Okay, I don't know what this video is going to be titled yet, but whatever it's titled, it's not clickbait. We have a lot to talk about today, and I would appreciate it if you would watch the entire video so you get all the information that you need to. Yeah, like it says, I am stepping away from this channel. I'm going to be stopping these vlog uploads, and it's for a few reasons that I want to explain. I've been doing YouTube since 2013, April 2013, so it is 1 month away from being 9 years of me doing YouTube. And when I started YouTube, I was a teenager in high school, and I was at a completely different stage of my life, and I had a completely different set of interests. I was absolutely obsessed with basketball and absolutely obsessed with sneakers, and those are still two things that I love and are, you know, really fun hobbies of mine, but they're no longer the pillars of my life. And YouTube has taken me so many amazing fun places. Like, I can't even name the amount of opportunities and friends and experiences I've had because of YouTube. It's been absolutely amazing, but I kind of lost the passion for it. I think the content has had something to do with it. I just haven't felt as passionate about making sneaker videos, and I've tried to make resolutions to switch the content, but it's always felt forced because the audience here is here for sneaker videos, and I don't blame them for that at all. That's what they subscribed for. That's what I was really passionate about 2013 to 2019. And then in 2019, that interest really started to taper off, and I've had this cognitive dissonance, I guess, this mental battle I've been playing with myself since then, of knowing I'm not crazy passionate about the videos that I'm making about sneakers, but also knowing that that's what many of you guys want to be watching. It's gotten to the point now where, you know, the last few months I've obviously been a lot less active on YouTube, and it's no longer a major part of my income anymore. I mean, I still make some money off of it, which is great, but small screen has grown to the point where the vast majority of my time and the vast majority of my income is going to and coming from small screen. So I can make decisions about how I spend my time on YouTube a lot more based on what I enjoy and what makes me happy rather than what's paying the bills, which a couple of years ago, YouTube was the only thing paying my bills. So I needed to be a lot more cognizant of making sure that I actually had money to pay for things. This is something I've been thinking about for probably 3 or 4 months, and here's the decision I've come to. I'm gonna stop uploading vlogs on this channel. There's still a couple that I have to post. I have some sponsorship obligations. There'll be a couple more videos going up on here in vlog format, but what I'm going to be doing is starting a brand new channel, which is linked down in the description, and it is the pinned comment. This channel isn't going to be about sneakers. This channel isn't going to be about streetwear. This channel is going to be about me growing a business and me traveling and me talking to you guys and me sharing what I feel passionate about that day. And it's not going to be clickbait, hype beast content. It's going to be raw, me trying to give you guys as much value through an 8 or 10 minute vlog as possible every single day. I'm really excited. I think the reason that I really loved YouTube at the beginning was the challenge. Whether it's growing a business or growing a YouTube channel, I've always loved the challenge of seeing how big can I make this thing? How far can I take this? Can I make this new venture successful? And I've been able to do that time and time again in life, which I'm super proud of. I mean, I built a YouTube channel, almost 400,000 subscribers, and then I started a growing and very successful business, and I know that I can do it, but now I want something new to put my mind to prove that I can be successful at. And I think starting a new channel is a way to do that. Making videos that I feel passionate about on this channel, I'll be honest, it's not an exciting feeling, because if I make a video that has nothing to do with sneakers, I'm gonna get a bunch of comments saying, this video sucks, it's not even about anything, where are the sneakers, this is trash, you fell off. I guess I understand that. Lots of you guys subscribe for sneakers, and I don't blame you, but that's just not what I want to make. If you enjoy just the raw content, vlogs, travel, hanging out with other YouTubers that we work with, creating really meaningful content, sharing with you guys stuff I've learned with how to run a business, I would really encourage you to click the link in the description and subscribe to the new channel. The first vlog was posted yesterday. Now, as for this channel, it's not going to be completely disappearing. I still appreciate you guys here. And what I'm going to be doing on this channel is once in a while doing some sneaker reviews on this channel. Just very simple, back to the basics, buying a pair of shoes that I like and giving you guys a little review and my thoughts on it. I still want to have part of that in my life, of making content about that, because it has been such a big part of my life. But in terms of doing that every other day or every week, it's just not something I feel passionate about anymore, if we're being 100% honest. Especially I'm spending 50, 60, 70, 80 hours a week on small screen. I don't have the mental bandwidth for it sometimes. I think creating this new content has gotten me in such a more excited mood. I can't wait to see what we can do on the other channel and the audience I can build there, and really just have people that are there for the right reasons. The same way that when I started this channel, everyone here was here because they really enjoyed what I was making, and then I stopped enjoying what I was making. This isn't sad. I hope it's not sad. I'll still be uploading once in a while on here of sneaker reviews, but the content that you guys are used to, of vlogs out and about in the city, I'm starting something new, and we're starting a new channel. This has been a long time coming. This has been a long process, but that's kind of where my head's at. I'm really excited to see what we can make happen in YouTube, with small screen, in life in general, and I'm excited to take you guys along the road with me. So I really, truly do appreciate your support. There'll be some new videos coming out on this channel, but my main focus on YouTube is going to be going towards building a whole new channel, because I just really want to see if I can do it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you. You're some of my favorite people on earth, and until next time, peace.